Umuthi ni muthenya ukoragwo uri wa mwanya na muno makiria kuri aruti a wira kuria kanini na kanene marurunganaga kiharo kia Nyayo Stadium na gukunguira muthi uyu. Mugaru nahau kabere Mambura maya umuthi maroneka gukorwo mari ma mwanya muno kuona gutiri andu mekwiyumiritie gukunguira na ni kurumirira mitaratara iria igathikitwo ni thirikari ya andu kwaga gukungutaniria na guikara maraihaniriirie niguo gwithemana na kinguki gia COVID-19.
We are the majority. Chances are.
Mambura maya matongoririo ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta imwe kwa imwe kuuma thingira wa Iregi kuria maundu maingi maria maririirio ni murimu wa COVID-19 andu makiurio metikire kurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ni thirikari.
Ni siku ambayo tunasherehekea siku ya wafanyikazi, sio tu hapa Kenya lakini dunia mzima. Lakini kwa sababu ya yale ambaye yametukumba sisi wote nchi zote za dunia, leo tuwasherehekea kwa kitofauti, lakini tunaamini Mwenyezi Mungu ya kwamba hii janga tutaishinda na tutaweza kurudi na tuweze kusherehekea pamoja kama Wakenya.
Gukiri uguo gutiuma na ndariri o yothe igie nyongerera ya mushara kuri aruti a wira, mutongoria wa bururi akiuga ndeto eno ni gukorwo ikirorwo na njira ya mwanya niguo gutigirira akenya matina hinyiririka muno na makiria mahinda-ini maya muturire urituhite.
Workers, today we can proudly say that we are among the top 6 largest and most diversified economies in the continent, and for this we thank each and every one of you. At home, Kenya is a nation of diligent and hard-working people. From the woman in Marigiti who is up at 3 a.m. to the farmer who is up well before sunrise, Kenya is a nation of hard-working people. But that is not all. Against all odds, our health workers are giving their all, saving those affected by COVID-19, many others working against the floods and the heavy rains. But our farmers continue to toil their land and to feed their families.
Atongoria matiganite ari ni hamwe na Minister Simon Cherugui na mutongoria wa kiama kia aruti a wira guku bururi-ini Francis Atwoli makiuga kuri na mwihoko wa kinguki kia homa ya COVID-19 ni ukuhuka na andu mahote gucokereria mawira-ini mao.
Who are carrying out pay cuts to enter into negotiations with their unions and with their members. Not somebody to wake up, his pay slip has been slit to a half.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia aruti a wira gia Trade Union Congress Charles Mukwaya ni oritie thirikari gutigirira marigitari ni maheo njoherera, akiuga ni maragerera ihinda iritu na makiria aria marakuruhanio hari urigitani wa arwaru a COVID-19 kuona marakorwo makirutira na njira nene na kuiga miturire yao ugwati-ini wa COVID-19.
As they come to work, and because of this pandemic, and as my chairman has said, the cost of transport has gone up. How are they traveling from their residences to the health facilities to attend to you and me? The cost of transport has more than doubled. Is it possible, and is it too much asking the government to consider giving them subsidized transport or commute allowance to go to work? Thirdly, they are at risk. Their families are at risk. We wish to request the government to consider giving these people the medical insurance life.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njuguna.